Alright people, this is no false alarm. I got my package, so I had the last part for my PC that I'm building, and I'm gonna go build it like right now. I need to have breakfast first, but I'm extremely excited. I had planned on my sweetheart, I love you, but excuse me. I had planned on tanning on the balcony today, so I am wearing my bikini under this romper, so hopefully I can catch some rays at some point. I need to take multiple trips. I have so much to take. Percy's losing his mind because he's not sure why I'm leaving. I've got my case, all the parts in there except the motherboard's in there, a laptop for my mom in there, her card, and I'm having blueberries and some tea for the road, and 2 pieces of toast, one with honey and one with butter. So I'm gonna eat this. I'm just gonna drink and eat the blueberries on the road and get all this down to my car and then leave because I'm too excited. Are you a hot dog? So I got my camera, my phone, my tea, and my Halloween cup. I think we're set. All right, I need to get gas. Then it's on the way on the road trip. I woke up this morning and I started Chloe Ting's new 4-week summer shred or whatever. I did the full body workout. There was 2 workouts and then there was an ab one. Woo. But then I got a call as I was going to have a shower that my package was here. Finally! Okay, this song was kind of like popular on TikTok. It's the Hillside song or whatever. It's a Christian song. It just reminds me of when I was younger. Like, I used to bop to kids' Christian tunes so much. I kind of miss it, but like, you know. But this song is so beautiful, and there's a girl, I wish I could remember what her username is. Maybe I'll try and find out when I get Wi-Fi. She has the voice of an angel, and she did a cover of this song, and I just want to cry. Sorry, I think the artists are Hillsong, and the song is called Ocean, open bracket, where feet may fail, close bracket. I hate that for me. I do. Look, this is where the Windows background came from. Hi, Simba! Little bit. No, come back. Getting all my parts out. Hi, Bessie. Come here. Do you remember me? Where's Minnie? Hi. Look at your eyes. Oh. Can I touch?
Nope.
No.
So you're saying
Got all my garbage organized, throw out all my extra parts, and it's time for the internal setups. Oh, my sweetness. Oh. All done. I just have to get it connected to internet and get some things downloaded. Look at the colors. This protective stuff's still on it because I still need to take it in my car to take it home, but look at this little, with his hands over his eyes and his toes. It's transporting time and I am so nervous. I'm home now. I didn't film as soon as I got home because I was freaking starving. So I just stuffed my face and now I'm uncomfortably full. I'm wearing my the bikini I got from Shein because I was planning on tanning today, and while some things were working on my computer, I did lay out in the sun on the deck at my parents' house. So it's just so nice to have the sun out still. Just put a sweater on because it's getting cool, but like it's still sunny, still kind of warm, and you have your bikini on. I love it. So now I get the rest of the files that I need off there, do a factory reset. I'm gonna like set that out in the living room while it's doing a factory reset because it takes a while, and then I'm gonna set this all up and play. Oof. Need to gather my thoughts and figure this out and get it done.